If you want to turn off this suggested contact when you are trying to share any picture from the gallery of your Samsung S24 or S25, then let us see what to do. Right now I can see some suggestions here. So for this one, what you have to do is you have to at first install an app called Good Lock. So open Play Store and search for Good Lock. So this is the application. I have already installed it. After you have installed, open the application, and here you have to install another extension called Home App. This is the one. Open it and download and install. So once the installation is finished, then you have to tap on this play button here, select next, and then try it. After that, enable this Home App and go to Share Manager, enable it, and here there is an option Show Direct Share. Disable it. Once you have done this one, again go to Gallery here. This time if I try to share this picture, you can see the suggested contact does not appear here. Thank you for watching the video. Please like, share, comment and subscribe to my YouTube channel for more tips and tricks.